Houses, villages, cities, roads, rail networks, industries, farms, ports, items of our daily use, and all other elements of material culture have been created by human beings. Elements of physical geography are landforms, soils, climate, water, natural vegetation, and diverse flora and fauna. These resources have been used by human beings to create the material culture around them. Human geography studies the interrelationship between these physical elements and socio-cultural elements created by human beings through mutual interaction with each other. Naturalization of humans. From the period of the primitive world, human beings are in close connection with nature. In primitive times, humans were greatly influenced by nature. Nature used to dictate humans. Technology was very low, and the stage of human social development was also primitive. This type of interaction between the humans and forces of nature gave rise to the concept of environmental determinism. Environmental determinism aims at very low technological development, where humans would listen to the nature and were afraid of its uncertain phenomena. Humans worshipped nature for its fury and are dependent entirely upon nature. The economic as well as the social development of primitive people were entirely dependent upon the influence of their natural environment. Forest dwellers are happy to be part of the beautiful universe. They thank the spirits of the forest for the stream water that quenches their thirst, the leaves and roots that feed them, the herbs that are exchanged in return for necessary things in the local fair. Thus, nature played a powerful role in primitive life. It is nature that made people discover and use fire. The friction in the forests that resulted into forest fires helped people discover fire, and the self-pollination in flower, where the seeds get dispersed into the ground and results in growth of a new plant under the influence of temperature and rainfall, gave humans the idea of growing crops and to practice agriculture. So, what is humanization of nature? Humanization of nature is just opposite to what is naturalization of humans. With the passage of time, people understood their environment and the forces in which the environment acts. Human beings were able to develop technology after understanding natural laws. For example, the concepts of friction and heat helped us discover fire. Understanding of the secrets of DNA enabled us to conquer many diseases. The laws of aerodynamics to develop faster planes. With the advancement of time, people learned the use of technology and moved from a state of necessity to a state of freedom. Possibilism, the counter-reaction to the extreme generalization of environmental determinism, gave rise to another concept in geography known as possibilism. Possibilism sticks to the point that man is an active agent in the environment. From the state of necessity, humans moved to the state of freedom. This is a belief which asserts that the natural environment provides options and the number of possibilities of which human creates cultural landscape. Such imprints of human activities include health risks, resorts on highlands, huge urban sprawls, fields, orchards and pastures in plains and rolling hills. Ports on coasts, oceanic routes on the oceanic surface, and satellites in the space. People working in cold regions have constructed offices with huge glass domes which help to keep out the snow in winter and let in the sunshine during summer. The office is artificially heated at a comfortable temperature of 23 degrees Celsius. They get tropical fruits and flowers from warmer areas regularly. Hence, it is technology and its application that makes humans lead such a comfortable lifestyle by overcoming the constraints imposed by nature. What has led to the emergence of a middle path between the two ideas of environmental determinism and possibilism? The concept of neo-determinism was introduced by Griffith Taylor. The concept reflects a middle path between the two ideas of environmental determinism and possibilism. The concept shows that neither there is a situation of absolute necessity, nor is there a condition of absolute freedom. It means that human beings can conquer nature by obeying it. They have to respond to the red signals and can proceed in their pursuit of development when nature permits the modification. It means that possibilities can be created within the limits which do not damage the environment. Human geography through the corridors of time. Human geography has its roots deep in history. In the early period, there was little interaction between different societies and the knowledge about each other was limited. Let us explore the broad stages of human geography.